Are you telling me that 200 men against your boy is a no-win situation for us?
You send that many, don't forget one thing.
What?
A good supply of body bags.
Hey everyone, we're in Hope, British Columbia.
Come in and get you the hell out of there.
They drew first blood.
Well, it looks like we're gonna go camping. The weekend opened up here this Thanksgiving weekend, and the rain has subsided. It looks like it's going to subside for the next couple of days. So it's going to get a little cold. We're going to deal with some sub-freezing temperatures, but nothing we can't handle. I'm at Canadian Tire right now, getting some basic supplies. Time to get a fresh hose for the year. Next step, sanitize the tanks. We're heading out for the weekend. Destination Sunshine Valley RV Resort, just outside Hope, British Columbia. Now, tomorrow is going to be all about checking out the filming locations from the movie Rambo: First Blood, which was shot right in and around the Hope, BC area. But first, a quick stop at the small truck stop and travel center to grab some snacks before settling in. Starting to get that chill in the air. It is getting to be cold. We're getting closer and closer to freezing temperatures. We are just outside of Hope, BC. Soon we're going to crest over the hill, little tiny mountain pass. I don't know, we go up a couple hundred meters. I don't know if we're going to hit the snow line before we start going back down. Kind of hope we do, because it's always nice to see a little snow, especially when it's all fresh, white, pretty. But we're just grabbing a few snacks here. And what's RVing without snacks? Dogs are inside staying warm. It is getting chillier and chillier, so let's keep going. Hello everybody, we're here. Why winterize your RV when you can go camping?
What are you guys doing over there? Lizzie, Linus, hello. Lizzie, hello. How's it going out there, honey?
It's cold. Mind focus now?
Better, yay. This is them waiting for Daddy. They are waiting. Apparently that's a key word. Hi, Linus. Yeah, you're coming over to say hi? Aww. He's such a sweetie. That's my little boy. But Daddy's outside cooking the food.
All right, well, as usual, we hit up a new town, and before we get on anything, we got to find a bakery. That's all right. What?
Nothing.
Anyway, we're in Hope, and so before we go check out the Rambo stuff, we're going to go hit up a bakery. What?
You visiting somebody?
Rambo is filmed right here in Hope, with the town standing in for much of the movie's small town backdrop. A lot of the original structures are gone, like the bridge they crossed. But if you know where to look, there's still a few recognizable spots here and there. Seeing what remains and how the town has changed around it, it's part of what makes exploring all these filming locations so interesting. We dropped into the Hope Visitor Center, which is currently in a temporary building while they rebuild the Visitor Center. And we wanted to check out all the Rambo memorabilia, the posters, the merch, and the famous hand-carved Rambo statue that's become a bit of a pilgrimage stop for fans.
All right. Well, thank you for your help.
Yeah, thank you for coming, guys. It was incredible. Hi.
Hey everybody. Well, it got a little colder last night. It got down to the low 20s Fahrenheit, around -6 Celsius. So colder. In fact, our vent this morning, we couldn't open the bathroom vent because it's frozen shut. My wife used it in the middle of the night when she got up to go to the bathroom, and so it was working at like 4 a.m. But I guess that maybe made some snow melt, and then now it doesn't open. So we're assuming it's just frozen. A little while, we'll be out of here, and then we'll know. So last night I'm out walking the dogs, and I was really surprised because this has never happened to me as long as I've been RVing, and especially as long as I've had an Ember. While I was here in the campground, I'm walking the dog, and what do I see over my shoulder? That's right, an Ember.
Ember in the wild makes me wanna sing, point and grin like I just wanna think. Doesn't need a prize, just an honest smile. You know the game when you spot an ember in the wild.
Another Ember. This is the first time that I've randomly come across an Ember at the same campsite in all the times I've been owning the Ember. And I've been on the Ember at a lot of campsites. Now I have been to the Ember gatherings, but we all knew we were going to be there. That's not random. This is an Ember in the wild sighting, and this is now my favorite Ember in the wild sighting. I just talked to the owner. I'm not going to, I didn't put him on camera or anything like that. He was in his jammies still. I'll leave him a couple of stickers. So it looks like we got somebody else to invite to the Ember gathering coming up at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo, happening in June, I believe, of 2026. I'll be there. I'll be there with my Ember, and maybe we can talk to them coming too. They bought theirs in Prince George, so that's one of the newer dealerships that's selling Embers here in British Columbia. Even though Woody's is gone, you can go up here to Prince George and Houston, where they do sell the Embers. So I believe they have Overland and the touring editions. This is the first time I really wandered around a touring edition up close. They're definitely nice looking, big. Guy goes through a lot of propane compared to me. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up now. We're gonna head back to town. We're gonna go to a couple of garden centers. My wife's channel's starting to grow. If you're into gardening or into plants or house plants, definitely check out Joe's Root Awakening. After her injuries and all that, she's back to making videos, and we're putting some really good ones out. So check them out if you're into indoor plants. That's her thing. I also got a couple other videos to shoot while we're out here. So stay tuned to watch those. Let's go hitch up and get out of here. Time to do the dump.
Ember